but he's been hooked. I'll play the one that's on his heart. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a hot pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not rough, it isn't fun. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I won't tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love glue gunning. Just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I pay you out. I promise this, promises. Check this hand cause I'm marvelous. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face.
This dance is called Poke It. It is a full wall 32 count improver level line dance, choreographed by Stephen Gale. This is my dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Skate right, skate left. Right shuffle forward. Rock forward on the left, recover right. Make a half turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a half turn left, stepping back on the right foot to face 12 o'clock. Weight is on the right foot. Easy option here is walk back left, walk back right. Left coaster step. Rock forward on the right, recover left. Right coaster step. Step forward on the left, make a half turn pivot right. Now facing 6 o'clock. Left shuffle forward. The harder option here, instead of doing the left shuffle forward, you can do a triple full turn travelling forward. Step in, left, right, left. Weight is on the left foot. Tap or stomp right next to left, kick right foot to diagonal. Cross right behind left, step left to left side, cross right over left. Tap or stomp left next to right, kick left to diagonal. Cross left behind right, make a quarter turn right, stepping forward on the right foot, step forward left. Weight is on the left, now facing 9 o'clock. Syncopated half Monterey turn right. Point right to right side, make a half turn right, point left to left side, step left in pace, taking the weight on the left foot. Right kick ball change. Bump right, bump left. Weight is on the left foot. Now facing 3 o'clock, ready to restart the dance. The counts of the dance. Weights on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. In this dance we have one restart. The restart happens after 16 counts on wall 4. Wall 4 starts facing 9 o'clock. This is wall 4. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This is count 16. To restart the dance with a right skate, you need to step forward on the left foot and then skate right, left. Thank you so much for watching.